What is going on YouTube? Today I am back with another Movie Studio 15 Platinum Vegas tutorial. Today I am going to be cloning myself. And I am going to show you how to do that. There are a lot of tutorials on how to do this in Vegas Pro, but not very many on how to do this in Vegas Platinum. So I'm gonna help you guys out with that, hopefully, and let's get started. Vegas Movie Studio 15. So what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna drag in your clips that you have filmed. So you're gonna wanna make two different clips, or you can do them in one clip and cut it, but I chose to just do two. You're gonna wanna make sure in both clips the lighting stays the same and the angle stays the same. You don't want any lighting to change or the angle of the camera to change, so I would recommend using a tripod. So yeah, here's just my couch, and here I am about to approach the couch. So I'll just, kind of just walk up, sit down, hang out. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go to the event pan crop, and I'm gonna drag this thing to about right here. And then I'm gonna go over here to more, and I'm gonna hit track motion, and this thing comes up, and you wanna drag it over to the left. This puts the frame back in its original place. Just like so. And I'm gonna bring my second clip over, set it right there. And you can see on this second clip, I kind of approach the couch in the same way. I'm gonna put it about right there. Yeah, about just like that. And that is all there is to it. Like I said, if you have good lighting, this will be very easy. If you have bad lighting, sometimes where you split the two, you'll see this, you can see here where the remote is on the table, there's a little bit of a, you can see where it kind of cuts off right there. So I can try to kind of fix that with the event pan crop. So yeah. Okay guys, it is that simple. Hope this helps. Be sure to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with the tutorials that are to come. Later.